Do you dream of flying but can only walk? Is your English vocabulary locked in your mind? Well, today we are going to try to improve both those situations. Let's go.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
It's early morning in Moscow and I'm going for a run. It's a bit of a shock to the system at 6 o'clock in the morning, but it's such a nice day. I'm just walking to the track. It's very near the apartment, and it's interesting to know that in this area of Moscow, every morning and during the day and the evening, these tractors with big water tanks come around and they water the road. Actually arrived at the track. If you're at the side of the track, you can say, I am track side, I am track side, I'm at the side of the track. If you step onto the track, obviously you're on the track. Before any physical exercise, you should really do some stretching. So we're going to do a few stretches to warm up. We need to warm up before we carry out any exercise. Hamstring stretches. Groin stretch. Leg swings. Neck stretches. Arm stretches. Side stretches. Forward arm roll. Backward arm roll. Touch your toes. Jump. I'm jumping. I'm doing quad stretches. I'm doing press-ups. I'm puffing and blowing. I'm out of breath. Sit-ups. Star jumps. On your marks. Get set. Go! On your marks. Get set. Go! And one thing you definitely need on a hot day is water, or some sports drink, or some hydration. I'm jogging around the track. I'm doing laps around the track. I'm getting tired. I feel exhausted. I'm jogging around the park.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
I'm going flat out. Who is going to be the winner? Who is going to cross the line first? Hooray! I won! So how do you feel after running and sprinting and jogging in the morning? A few words: I feel exhilarated, energized on a more basic level, feel happy, and I feel motivated to start the day. That's all for now. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. More videos coming soon. Your suggestions always welcome.
I believe I can fly.